Chia seeds, rich in nutrients packed with omega-3 fatty acids, especially ALA, fiber, protein, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and antioxidants, good for digestive health. High fiber content promotes regular bowel movements, prevents constipation, and supports a healthy gut microbiome, aids weight management. The fiber and protein keep you feeling full longer, reducing appetite and aiding in calorie control. They absorb a lot of water, which also contributes to satiety, supports heart health. Omega-3's fiber and antioxidants can help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and improve cholesterol levels, decreasing the risk of heart disease, helps regulate blood sugar. Fiber slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing blood sugar spikes, which is beneficial for managing and preventing type 2 diabetes, boosts bone strength. Good source of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, essential for strong bones and teeth, provides antioxidants. Contains powerful antioxidants that help fight free radicals, protecting cells from damage and potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Increases energy levels. Provides sustained energy release due to the combination of fiber, healthy fats, and protein. Poha, flattened rice, easy to digest. Poha is light on the stomach and easily digestible, making it a good breakfast or light snack option. Good source of carbohydrates, provides a good source of energy to start your day. Rich in iron. The process of making poha involves flattening it with iron rollers, which can infuse it with iron, making it beneficial for preventing iron deficiency, controls blood sugar. Being rich in fiber, it promotes a slow and steady release of sugar into the blood, helping to control blood sugar levels, low in calories. When prepared lightly. When prepared with minimal oil, it can be a good option for weight management. Probiotic benefits. The fermentation process involved in making poha can result in probiotic bacteria, which are beneficial for gut health. Milk, strong bones and teeth, excellent source of calcium and vitamin D. If fortified, essential for bone density and strength, and preventing conditions like osteoporosis, muscle growth and repair. Rich in high-quality protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids, which aids in muscle development and recovery. Boosts immunity, contains various nutrients like protein, vitamin D, vitamin A, and zinc that contribute to a strong immune system. Supports heart health, contains potassium, which helps maintain healthy blood pressure by balancing sodium levels. Aids digestion, contains nutrients that can support a healthy digestive system. Hydration. Milk is primarily water, contributing to overall hydration. Relaxation. Warm milk before bedtime can promote relaxation and reduce stress due to the presence of tryptophan. Pinch of black pepper powder enhances nutrient absorption, contains piperine, a compound that can significantly enhance the absorption and bioavailability of various nutrients, like curcumin from turmeric. Rich in antioxidants, piperine has strong antioxidant properties, helping to combat free radicals and reduce oxidative stress. Aids digestion, stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, promoting more efficient breakdown of food. Anti-inflammatory properties. May help reduce inflammation in the body, supports brain health. Some research suggests piperine may have positive effects on cognitive function. Weight management may play a role in fat metabolism and reducing appetite. Pinch of salt, essential electrolyte. Salt, sodium, is crucial for maintaining fluid balance, nerve function, and muscle contractions. Enhances flavor. While not a health benefit in itself, a small amount of salt enhances the taste of food, making it more palatable. Note: excessive salt intake can be detrimental to health, especially blood pressure, so use sparingly. A little pistachio, high in protein, a good source of plant-based protein, contributing to satiety and muscle health. Full of nutrients. Rich in vitamin B6,